Excel is a widely used tool for mathematical calculations and data analysis. However, in certain situations, its behavior can diverge from fundamental mathematical properties. A significant example is multiplication by zero, which, according to mathematical rules, should always result in zero. However, tests conducted on licensed spreadsheets indicate unexpected variations, especially when editing data, which can amplify inconsistencies. This behavior not only compromises calculation accuracy, but also seriously impacts global education, making it difficult to teach essential mathematical concepts. For students and professionals, these discrepancies can lead to misinterpretations and challenges in data modeling, highlighting the importance of understanding the software's limitations in applying rigorous mathematical principles. Microsoft Copilot performs mathematical calculations following fundamental mathematical principles. Microsoft Excel, although well established in the market, may exhibit differences in processing specific operations, possibly due to its algorithmic architecture and internal calculation rules. Understanding these distinctions is essential, as such inconsistencies impact education globally, affecting the reliability of digital tools in learning and academic research. Microsoft Excel may show inconsistencies in basic calculations, while LibreOffice Calc and WPS Office execute them correctly. Computational accuracy is essential, especially in global education, where the reliability of spreadsheets directly impacts learning.